Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the new LG Stylo 6. So the Stylo has been one of the more popular LG devices. It's one of the mid-range devices, usually anywhere from 200 to about 3. And we're gonna go ahead and look at what's included with these devices. Let's get this guy open. Side note, the Stylo is probably one of my more favorite devices from LG. Okay, this is a huge device here. 3 cameras, nice. So they stepped it up. They're going with the trend of having multiple camera lenses on these phones to give you a variety of angles. That's pretty cool. I like this finish on the back here. But let's see what else comes with the device. Oh, I can't forget to show you guys this. So it's called Stylo because it does come with a stylus pen. All of the Stylo lines come with a stylus pen. So if you're looking for a phone with a stylus, this is the mid-range choice for you. Here we have the SIM card. So of course everybody knows that's what you use to connect to the network. We have a USB cable, USB Type-C. So this is a Type-C device. And we have the fast charge charging base. This is where you connect the device to the wall. And this little packet here, let's see what we have. I already see we have the SIM tool included. So this isn't a removable battery on these devices. We have the terms and conditions in both English and Spanish. One book, you just flip it backwards. We have the welcome start guide. Typically these give you instructions on how to use your device. And here we have the SIM tool that you use to take out the SIM card and the SD card. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you share and subscribe. Thank you.